Bitcoin has broken this ever so important trend line. In yesterday's video that I posted, I told you to short this point. I gave you this trade. I hope you listened to me. And now in today's video, I'm going to show you what I am looking at next now that we got this nice move to the downside. Stick around, watch this video all the way through. We're going to go through some wave structures that I'm looking at super quick, guys. Let's get right into it. Now, what I'm looking at immediately in the immediate term is I am pulling a fib extension from our points here. And in yesterday's video, I do want to preface by saying yesterday we went over a bearish count, which would lead to more downside in the immediate term to around 40K, and then we pump towards all-time highs. I do want to tell you guys that is not what I am trading. That is a bearish count that I'm aware of, that you need to be aware of. If you are short from here and you want to play that, more power to you. It has a very real possibility of happening. But I will show you what I am currently playing on Bitcoin. Zooming into the hourly, I have an ABC correction that I'm looking to finish up. The fact of the matter is hourly RSI is very oversold here. I am looking for at least some type of correction to let this RSI come up just a little bit to give it more power to thrust down. Not a bad long to be in. We are at the 1-to-1. And if we get a bounce here and it starts pumping to the upside, what I'm going to look at is more of a WXY pattern up towards 65K if it bounces here. And I'll tell you why. For starters, if we pull here, hang on. If we pull just our fibs, just the retracement on this entire leg up, we haven't even hit the 382 yet. The 382 would be down here around 57K. If this, which it looks like it's going to, if this decides to keep pushing down to at least the 382, come into this fib box right here, if we get that move, then I'm looking at a nice retracement of this entire wave, in which it would be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me. We get a nice retracement down to the 382 at least, and then we can impulse up towards all-time high. It's very rare you see just the 236, it's very rare you see it not even make it to the 382 unless it's extremely bullish, which we are not at the 382 yet. So if it doesn't hit the 382 and we get a bounce somewhere in here, 58.4, 58.3 where we're at right now, I'm going to look at this more of an ABC for a WXY rather than right here, WXY, like so, rather than a pump towards all-time high. And then from here we turn around and dump down to our lower targets around 45K and then all-time high. Picking up what I'm putting down. Stick with me, guys. Stick with me. Now, before we continue, as I said, I posted this in my premium Discord with the daily alerts. If you want to give the daily alerts a try, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, free Elliott wave, well, not free, Elliott wave force included in the premium. I'm running $25 off your first month with code 25OFF. Head into the free Discord, link to the description, and pin in the first comment. Click upgrade here. Join the free Discord anyways. I post free alerts, posting all the time. And then also, if you want to get into trading, or if you want to switch exchanges, go no KYC. The best no KYC exchange out right now is Blowfin. It's what I use. It's what everyone's using now that Mexi went KYC. 15% cash back on your initial deposits with the link down below. It's the best link you can get with Blowfin. I hooked you guys up, and then you get entered to win these prizes with your trading volume all the way up to a Rolex watch. So take advantage of that link. At least get your free 15% gain on your account with your initial deposits. Use the link, utilize it. Let's get back into the charts. So what am I playing? I'm currently looking at, the main thing for me is RSI is very oversold right now. Very oversold. We have hit the 1-to-1 fib extension. We are currently on it. I don't want to leak much lower than this, but it's valid longing this area right now, which is what I'm doing. I have a low leverage long in, and I'm looking for a wave up to around 65K to link up with this leg right here. That's what I'd be looking for. If we get a bounce here, this is what I'm playing, and then I'll be looking short around this level at 65K to come down. All right. Now, if this does leak to our lower targets around 57K, I will be looking at this as a bigger ABC type structure correcting this entire leg, which would give it enough to pump towards all-time high and then give us a nice 5-wave looking structure, right? So it all depends on where this correction ends, if it ends. Now, the bearish case that we went over yesterday, if this decides to come on down, it can very well do that. Give us a 5-wave impulse. As I said, RSIs are starting to get oversold a little bit on the hourly, the 2-hourly, so we're due for at least a little correction before continuation. You might have your 1 here, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That would be your finishing wave down to around 44, 42K. That's what you're looking at. If you are short here, I don't blame you for staying in your short. Right here's a nice TP1. Take 25% off the table and then hold on to it. See if it wants to keep rocking down to the downside. You know, if I was holding a short here, if I was short right now, I would probably stay in the short. This decided to dump overnight when I was sleeping, so on to the next trade opportunity. It's a game of probabilities, guys. As long as you have a winning strategy in the long term, you will come out on top. So stick with it. Elliott wave theory changed my life. I hope it can change your guys too. That's what I'm looking at. Join the Discord. I'll see you in premium. Upgrade here, $25 off. I hope to see a lot of new faces in there. Check out Blowfin. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next one. I love everyone.